Yo, what's going on, my print peeps? Thank you for checking back in. Real quick, press is ready. We're gonna do some multi-printing method prints here. We're gonna do DTF, and then we're going to do glitter flake on top of the DTF. Now, it may touch part of the DTF. Hopefully, it will stick to that because I know glitter flake, it really can't have a background to it. So hopefully, I only got one go at this, and hopefully it'll take. I got my sister going to the New Edition concert coming up, and I got a couple of DTF prints, and then she wanted kind of like some 80s borders around it, so we're gonna put some glitter flake, and then we have their names in glitter flake. This is gonna take a few presses because we're going to do two in the front, two designs in the front, two designs in the back, with two boxes on the front, two boxes on the back, and then all the names. So this is going to be probably about 5 or 6 presses, not sure yet, but the press is ready. So let's go ahead and set up, and then we'll show you how the first press is going to look. All right, so we're going to press the DTF first. Because the glitter flake may come over maybe a 1/4 inch onto the DTF, and I think the DTF will hold multiple heats better anyway. So there's our first layout. We're gonna have one off-centered, and then we're gonna have the other one facing this way, and hopefully it'll fit. We're gonna see how it goes. All right, we're at 320, between 315 and 320, 15 seconds, medium to heavy pressure. Okay. Don't forget we put a Teflon on it just to help protect it. And DTF will be a warm to cool peel. So we'll let this cool down and then peel it, set the next one, press that one. Okay. Nice clean peel every time. All right, there's the first press. It probably cooled about 30 seconds, and then we peeled it. Nice feel. I think next time I'm gonna see if we can do halftones on it. Maybe it'll give it a softer feel. But I mean, it feels nice. It has that 80 feel to it with a nice 100% coverage. All right, let's get the next press down and get that one pressed. All right, this is how we have the second one laid out. First one veer to the left, next one veer to the right. And we're gonna scoot this up, put our Teflon, and press it. Our borders are about a 1/4 inch thick, so hopefully we got enough space here. I don't want to go too close to the bottom of the shirt. Maybe I can go just a little bit more. But yeah, and let's see what we got. Let's get our Teflon. And actually, let's move this shirt as close to the edge to get as less of a second press on that first one. It's only 15 seconds at 315, so we should be good. Okay, no effect. Ooh, this is hot. We'll cool this down as quick as possible. If you have one of the little small handheld fans, blow that sucker down, they'll cool it a lot quicker in like 10 seconds. But we'll show you that there was no ill effect on that first press. Nice 100% peel. Beautiful. And we'll show you there was no ill effect here on that second press. So DTF held pretty good on the second press on it. So we're going to do several more presses on these because we need to do the border, and then we're going to do the names around the edges. So that's going to be fun. So let's get set the border up for this one first. It's going to be Glitterflake, Stahl's CadCut Glitter Flake, and we'll see how that comes out. This is going to touch the DTF print, so hopefully it sticks. Okay, here is our first print. This is kind of close to the collar, but we're gonna try and work with it. Let's just press it, see what happens. I'm gonna put a Teflon to protect the second DTF print. And Glitterflake actually presses at 12 seconds. This is a hot peel. Okay, Glitterflake peeled 100%. Hey, this is all nice on the press, but it's the wash that really determines if it was a good idea or good press, good settings or whatever. So we'll see what happens with this. All right, so there is the first press, Glitterflake on top of DTF. It is probably about an 1/8 inch over onto the print. I should have made the box just a little bit bigger, but we'll see how it holds up. All right, we got our pink glitter flake that's going to go onto the second DTF. Let's set that one up and get to pressing. Glitter flake does have a pressure sensitive backing, so it is sticky, where you can stick it on there and it'll hold. Again, we'll push this as far up as possible to get as less of a press on that first press. All right, kind of got it all off the edge on that one. So hopefully we're good. We're about a 1/2 inch from the edge, so we should get a good press. All right, remember, Glitterflake is a warm peel or hot peel. So this came out pretty cool, and I forgot to mention that the pink or the light pink Glitterflake, whenever it's pressed onto dark or black materials, it becomes iridescent. So it loses that pink and it becomes iridescent. I don't know if it's gonna catch it on screen, but as you can see, there is the pink because that's on the DTF, and this actually becomes iridescent. So it's got that two-tone look. That came out pretty nice. So we're hoping that it'll just attach to that DTF and stick on there and stay. This is just a one event shirt, but we wanted to be a good shirt to, you know, be able to wear just randomly to different places. So let's set up for the names. We got 6 names: Ronnie, Ricky, Bobby, Johnny, Michael, and Ralph. These are the original 5. And then Bobby went solo in like 85, 86, or 80, 85, or 88, one of those. And then, oh, these are still the original 5. And then soon after that, or later after that, Johnny Gill became part of the group. And he's going to be on the back print. Okay, so I did mess up. I wasn't even thinking about it. So this is what happens when you do video and you start getting sidetracked or just one track minded. I should have did these 2 names with this glitter flake. Yeah, I probably should have did that. I probably should have cut the film or the carrier sheet as close to the purple box as possible, and then stuck this name, these names on the side. So anyway, we're going to put the first 2 names on the top, and then we're going to put the other 4 on the bottom. I think we will have room to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we'll do that. So let's get these 2 pressed, and then we'll do another press with the other names, and then we gotta go to do the back. So we're gonna see if this DTF and these glitter flakes are able to take multiple presses of 15 seconds. All right. That was 15 seconds for these 2 names. Again, that pink got iridescent. So let's hot peel that one. hot peel that one. That actually looks pretty cool. Okay, so let me show you. This is how it initially looked, and this is how light pink glitter flake looks on black or dark garments or substrates. Becomes iridescent. That actually looks nice. It gives it that different look from the purple. Okay, here's the last setup for the front. Another press. I don't know if you guys are keeping track. We got a crease in here from the print, but let's see if it flattens with this press here. We've got the 4 names around the bottom print. Let's put our Teflon and press it. I believe Glitterflake is, I don't even know the temps. I think it's around 320. If you're doing it on like polyester or synthetics, it's 290, I believe. This is 90% cotton, 10% polyester. So we should be good. All right. Let's peel off these names. Hot peel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. All right. And that is it for the front. DTF with Glitter Flake sitting on top. We have done several presses on each one. That actual crease came out with that next press. So that's a good thing. And we made sure that this was all the way over the edge to get a nice flat. So we didn't have to crease this one here. So let's get set up for the back and get going on that one. Okay, trying to make the shirt as long as possible, or wide or flat, just so I can see where I'm gonna go. All right, no hesitation, let's do this. A shirt like this is great because placement, the tolerances are non-existent. You don't have to worry about it being straight or aligned or anything like that. This just goes how it goes. All right, it's been about 30 seconds. Confident peel. I had to do the legs because when I had to edit this image, and I actually took this name and I vectorized the new edition and I placed it behind. I did the crop around the edges. I kind of made it a little bit nicer because it was from the internet and it was like kind of blurry and stuff. So I kind of made the image a little bit nicer with contrast and stuff like that. And the actual new edition name was really blurry, so I redrew that in vector. Probably should have did a white border on that one. All right, so that's how that one looks. Again, I probably should have did a white border around that instead of black. I actually recreated the One Love with the little reflection there, like the album cover. I believe this was the album cover. So yeah, that looks good. All right, we got the Home Again album cover. We're gonna Teflon. Press for about 315 for 15 seconds. Medium to heavy pressure, and then we'll let it cool down and then peel it. Nice and lukewarm. Confident peel. Boom, boom, clean. So far this is the front, and then this is the back. So let's put those glitter flake borders around it and we're done. Okay, this is the pink. Remember, it's going to be iridescent. Actually, I went right over the mirrored. Should have made this box a little bit bigger. It's all good. We'll see how it turns out. It's going to be pink in those letters right there, most likely. Probably hang this over. Do a heavy press. Not sure how that collar is going to be. Okay, there it goes. Nice iridescent looking color. And let's get the next border for this one. I might have to repress the top one because I can't let it go over the edge, and it's probably going to create that crease. So if this creates the crease in the DTF print for this one, for this next print, we'll just go back and repress it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No hesitation. Can't hesitate in the print game. Nice hot peel. Glitterflake's gone. Let's just do a second press. Not for the DTF, but for the Glitterflake. Just about 10 seconds. Alright, then we'll hang that over and do 10 seconds for this one. Okay. I think we're done. How's it look? Okay. Got nice DTF print. As you can see, no burns, no wrinkling, no nothing, right? There's the bottom part. Get the nice glitter. She's gonna be glistening all up in that crowd. There's the Candy Girl. I can't remember what album that is. I think that's is that the second album? Man, I can't remember. I was like 12 when these guys, no, not when these guys came out. When they were in their actually when Bobby Brown left, I started listening to them. Well, I started listening to their old stuff when Bobby Brown was with them. And there is the back. Nice couple of, I wanted to do some like 80, like the squigglies. She said, no, don't do all that. You know, like the polka dots and the little squigglies or the chevron lines, you know, kind of making it look 80s or whatever. But anyway, that's how the back looks. People gonna be behind her anyway and be like, oh my gosh, I love that shirt. You know what I'm saying? Again, nothing wrong with anything. So I thought I was gonna have to wash it because, you know, with those cheaper Gildans, it's be like all discolorized. So I think we're good. All right, that's all we have for you today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like the video, let me know as always by giving it 2 thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you can. It helps out a lot. Have you done Glitterflake? I'm not new into the game. I know there's been a lot of different processes on top of each other. So let me know. Have you guys done Glitterflake on top of DTF? Has it been holding up? We don't know. I thought I was gonna have to wash this, but I don't think I have to wash this. It smells good. I don't know. I just didn't want it falling apart before her concerts. So she may have to spray some cologne on or something like that, but it don't smell bad. It smells pretty good. Like a retail shirt. Anyway, hope you're having a good day printing. We'll talk to you next time, and until then, peace.